about to take me nowhere.
Okay, there's another box in it.
She about to take me nowhere.
Oh, the bow came off.
She about to fly me away. She about to fly me away. She about to fly me, can't even see me on way out of here. We find the sky. Hermes ash for the down my ash. So pretty, little better than cast. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy.
It's the little puffer, puppy, whatever you call this one.
Ain't never me the swaggin'. Secure the bag out of beach, I'm a begging. Turning it up, got a range, she good. Parking 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I been out of the sewer. Right to six, we do that, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, range, just gon' empty shit, bitch, breaking niggas.
Alright girlies, so I just got ready. I still need to put on some shoes. I think I'm gonna put on some Converses. I've been wearing my Bad Bunny and Adidas shoes ever since I got them. So I think maybe I'll switch it up with some Converses today. But I found this like plaid jacket, like pullover. Got it at the mall. It's called Q's. And then I have a bodysuit that is from Charlotte Russe. And then I just have my hair. I washed my hair last night, so this is what it's giving right now. It's still kind of like damp. It feels damp. I'm probably just gonna wear this Coach purse. I think it's called the Lana. Yeah, I don't even know the names of these. I think it's called Lana something. I don't remember what number it is. This one is super spacious. There's a lot of space in that purse. Trey just got me this purse. This is the quilted tabby wristlet, because it comes with this right here, which is like the wristlet, so you can take the chain off. And this chain is actually pretty long, and since I'm smaller, when I cross it, it comes like all the way down here, and I didn't like that because it just didn't like fit me right wearing it that way. So what I did was with this, I just put it on one side, I buckled it, and then since the wristlet has one on the other side, I just like connected them or whatever. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then it just made like 2 chains. So now I can just wear it like this. And then I did order a wallet to go with this because this purse is actually on the smaller end. So they do have different sizes of the quilted tabby, but this is really gonna fit my phone. I seen online if it's like an AirPod case, a scrunchie, and then like a wallet. So we'll see when I get the wallet. It should get delivered tomorrow if it's gonna fit in there. If it doesn't, then I just return that and then like get the smaller wallet, because the color I ordered was dark stone. So I think it's gonna be a nice like contrast and stuff between the purse and the wallet. I didn't want to get the same color or anything like that. So we're probably gonna go look at some U-Haul spots. They'll go to U-Haul, Penske, and see how big their trucks and stuff is, and kind of get like estimates and stuff, because I told you on my last video we're getting ready to move and stuff, and I think we're gonna do the move ourselves instead of getting TMO, which is like the military, their contractor or whatever, to come and actually just move us. With moving yourself, you actually you can make money off of doing that. So I think we're just gonna try that out, see how it goes. I have to order some stuff like the vacuum bags. I'm planning on probably getting that for our clothes, our blankets. So so within the next few weeks, we're gonna obviously start packing everything up and stuff. I'm just trying to like visualize everything of what we have, and then hopefully we can get some like free boxes and paper too. So I'm a part of like a Facebook group where, you know, obviously other people like PCSA move and they have like boxes. So hopefully we get lucky enough where we can get like free boxes and like the paper, because that'll save costs too. So get the boys ready, throw on some shoes, and then we're gonna hit the door. Ooh, yeah. Oh, these are cute to paint with the kids. They have this egg spin. I've seen this last year. It's cool. Really cute. They have some jackets. Oh, this would have been pretty for Valentine's Day. These are so cute. What else do they have over here? Oh, I like these with the little spaghetti straps. I love stuff like this. How much is this? These are $5 only. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. This is only $5. I have the pink and white too. I think I'm gonna get black because I don't have black. Oh, it's 20% off for the jeans. So they have a sale on clothes today. What's this? Manifest. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get these earrings real quick, but y'all, look at this purse. This is so pretty. It's from the brand A New Day and it's for $30. I don't want to guess. Even this one is pretty. Let's get the L shape. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. That way I can do a review on it. I'm really interested to see what it's gonna give. I'm looking for a poppy drink. Okay, I think they're gonna be down here. I look crazy. My hair is insane. Okay, so I wanna try to find the other soda. What's this? Sangria. Maybe they're gonna be back here. Trying to hurry up. They were gonna eat somewhere. Here's the poppies. Here's the raspberry. It says there's a sale, but is that? Strawberry, lemon, orange. I wonder if the strawberry lemon is any good. They have the cherry limeade. I love this table right here from Hearth and Hand. Y'all, okay, I didn't show y'all the mess, but I went to go grab my light because I was gonna record a like first impressions review on the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and y'all, when I grabbed the light, the cable knocked it off. The cable was still like attached to my light, and it knocked off the component, and it's glass, and it broke everywhere. So I had Halo Glow all over the place. It got on the walls. I was able to clean it up or whatever, thankfully. Since we're moving too, I'm like, oh, what a terrible time for this to happen. But I still have it like in the cracks of my cabinet, so I need to get like a toothbrush or something and try to clean that. Oh. So Trey's telling me to go back to Target to get another one. I'm just mad. I wasted $14. So that happened. I don't know where this vlog is gonna go. We did go to a U-Haul truck or U-Haul spot yesterday. We looked at the trucks or whatever to see like what size a 22-foot and 26-foot like trailer or whatever would be. And yeah, the one we looked at looked like a 16-foot trailer, but I was like, there's no way, because when we came home and I looked at all our stuff, I was like, I don't think that's gonna fit all our stuff. And then we got the measuring tape, we measured it out, like, okay, the one we seen was definitely not 26 feet. So but on Tuesday we're gonna go. I think I might have this video up on Tuesday. I don't know if I'm gonna keep like recording up until then. I might break this into like sections and parts and stuff. So I ordered some stuff off of Amazon for what is it called, vacuum sealed bags to put my clothes in. We do have a lot of hangers, but I think I'm just gonna do it that way. I might just take everything off the hangers, fold them nicely, and then deal with it, I guess, when I get to Florida with the hangers. But it's a lot of hangers. But if we do big boxes, I know when we first moved here, I think we had like 6 or 7, maybe 8 boxes of like clothes, what is it called, like wardrobe boxes, and they're kind of pricey, so I don't know. I just might just take the L, use the vacuum seal bags, and then do it that way. Any recommendations if you've moved and stuff a few times or whatever, let me know. Any like tips and tricks, because I mean, I've seen the movers like from the military mover stuff or whatever, but I don't know, I might do some stuff different, like the vacuum sealed bags. It's just the hangers. I hate dealing with hangers too. That's the other thing. I hate hangers with a passion. But yeah, I guess we'll go to Target again. If I go to Target, I might as well hit up TJ Maxx so we can get a video in as well. I did put on the earrings that I got from TJ Maxx. These look like the same ones from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx was like $14.99 and these were at Target for $7.99. And I think they're really, really pretty. So I think I'm just gonna leave my face like this. We're gonna probably do bare face. Maybe I'll put some moisturizer on, and my skin needs to be hydrated anyways. Using the Pharmacy Honey Halo. This is their moisturizer. This is probably way too much. I hate like wasting money like that. And I just can't believe that happened. Trey was like, Trey said, why don't you call Target and let them know that you dropped it and broke it and see if you can like return it or like get a new one. But I'm like, that's on me. Like you know, it fell because of me. He's like, it's okay, just go get another one. And then this is today's fit. This is what I'm wearing today. I got this top from H&M. I kind of wish it was more oversized, but I love the green on it. I think it's really cute. And then I have some sweatpants. I think I got these sweatpants from TJ Maxx like last year or whatever. So we're just going very comfy. And yeah. We're back at Target. Let me see, we're back again. Tell a friend. Y'all, I don't know if I'm singing that right. Alright, sorry for the mess, and my hair is insane. So I just I showed y'all my purse that Trey got me. So we got this purse here. I'm just gonna sit it down real quick. I ordered from Amazon. Amazon sells Coach. They have Coach on there. So I'm hoping this wallet fits in my purse. This is nice. This is really, really cute. And then it has a place for you to put like the important cards and stuff in the back of it. But this is so pretty. The color I got was dark stone. I'll go ahead and link it down below. Let's see if it fits in my quilted tabby. So hopefully. Ooh, makes it a little bulky. I have my keys in there, but it closes. So I'm so sorry. This is not like the most aesthetic area because we're moving, so I'm just like packing everything up. But I was able to put it in there, and then I should be able to, let me see. So if I'm at the store. Purse in there, close it, open it, take my purse out, boom, boom, hey. All right, I think we're good to go. I'm gonna keep it. I really like the wallet. And then what I might end up doing is getting the smaller one too, because I do like the color of it. And I'm gonna leave it linked down below as well for y'all.